Good day, children. Sai Ram. Today we will revise the objectives and question and answers of both poem Sunday and lesson The New Alarm Clock together. Let's revise, frame the sentences, repeat the answers after me. Okay. Now frame the sentences. First word is pant. We pant when we run too fast. Very good. Second word, meekly. She meekly sang in front of the audience. Third word, huff. She went inside the room in a huff after fighting with her brother. Fourth sentence, glared. The teacher glared at the boy as he came late. Very good. Next, sneeringly. The unkind woman spoke sneeringly to the beggar. Snickered. The children snickered at their classmate who slipped and fell down. Resounded. The concert hall resounded with claps and cheers. Eighth word, groggily. Unable to sleep, she groggily rolled onto her back and stared at the ceiling. Ninth word, briskly. He started walking briskly as he saw a dog following him. Tenth word, thoughtful. Smita had a thoughtful look on her face. 11th word, groaned. Anil groaned as he was not allowed to go to play. 12th word, precisely. The meeting starts precisely at 2 o'clock. 13th word, gritting. He walked away gritting his teeth after being scolded. Okay, children, now I will give you all time to write the answers of two questions, that is past tense of the given words and opposites or antonyms. So get a book and a pencil and write down the answers, then I will get back to you. Okay, children, let's discuss the answers. The past tense of copy is copied. C-O-P-I-E-D. Copied. Then the past tense of glare is glared. G-L-A-R-E-D. Third past tense of yell is yelled. Y-E-L-L-E-D. Yelled. Fourth word, grab. So the past tense of grab is grabbed. G-R-A-B-B-E-D. Grabbed. Fifth word, win. And the past tense is won. W-O-N. Won. Now give the opposites of. First word is active. The opposite or the antonym, opposite and antonym is the same. So give the opposites of or give the antonyms of. So the first word is active. So the opposite or the antonym of active is passive. P-A-S-S-I-V-E. Passive. Second word, grateful. And the opposite or the antonym is ungrateful. 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 Third word, question, and the opposite or the antonym is answer. ANSWER, answer. Fourth word is together, and the antonym or the opposite is separate. SEPARATE, separate. Fifth word, briskly, and the opposite or the antonym of briskly is sluggishly. SLUGGISHLY, sluggishly. Okay, now children, again I am giving you all time to write the answers for who said to whom, and then we will again discuss. Okay, children, now let's discuss who said to whom. First question, when are you going to make it to school early? Answer is Miss Sudipta asked Tina. Second question, I've made some hot samosas. And the answer is Tina's mother said to all the kids. Third question, what's going on? And the answer is Tina's father asked the entire family. Fourth question, come home today, mom is making kheer. And the answer is Tina said to Ajay and Deepa. Okay, now children, I will read the question and you all will repeat the answers after me. Answer the following. Question number 1. What excuse did Tina give her teacher for coming late? Answer. Now you all will repeat the answers after me, right? Tina told her teacher that she had missed her school bus. Second question, why was Tina's friend Deepa annoyed with her? And the answer is Deepa was annoyed with Tina for coming late. Question 3. What did Tina have to do after she was late again? And the answer is Tina had to write an essay of 1,000 words about why she came late to school. Question 4. What was Tina doing instead of grammar work? Answer. Tina was solving a Sudoku puzzle instead of her grammar work. Fifth question. Why couldn't the alarm clock be shut off? Answer. The alarm clock couldn't be shut off as all the pieces of the jigsaw had to be placed on the clock to turn it off. Question 6. What does the poet feel about the weekdays? Answer. The poet feels that the weekdays come so fast and thick. Question 7. Why has the poet called the weekdays an unkind lot? Answer. The poet has called the weekdays an unkind lot because to go back home they have no thought. Question 8. How does the child feel when Sunday comes? Answer. The child feels very happy when Sunday comes. Question 9. What are the airs and graces that no child can stand? Answer. The weekdays that come with dull and long faces are the airs and graces that no child can stand. Question 10. Write the rhyming words from the poem. Answer. Thick, quick. Lot, thought. Faces, graces. Question 11. Write the name of any one day of the week which you like the most. Answer. Sunday. Okay children, now I'm sure you all are thorough with all the answers. So revise well. See you in the next class. Thank you children.